We can dance if we want to. We can leave your friends behind. Because the friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends of mine. Are you going somewhere where you're going to leave all your friends behind? Brazil? Dave? Tell me about this, leaving your friends behind. Yep. I can't do it. I can't do it anymore. I can't run this race anymore. Look at this one. It could be the two of you, or just like, it's just the two of us anyway. In the end, it winds up just being the two of us anyway. This looks exhausted. We've exhausted all of our options here. These are two people that you like the 80s, you dance, you like to have a good time. And now what? You're loyal to each other. These two here are best friends. I don't feel safe here. Yeah, with the Hermit, and you're both introverts. You're stronger this way. Yep. What else is coming now? There's always a but. When you two are separate, things slow down when you're by yourselves. Look, I want to show you something. You could have been separated, but this is slowing down when you're separate, and it's just you two separate. This is stronger together. Doing it pole to pole. No, you're nowhere near as dumb as I've been told. Did one of you say something? Tell me about this. You're nowhere near as dumb as I've been told. You're actually right. Maybe we do need to just, these look like two people that like to dress up differently too. I think you both have similar styles, but your styles, we're not like any of our friends. If you did have a friend group, it feels like there are two people here that are just very eclectic, I just heard, because I'm looking at this mosaic wall now. You don't really have one style. It feels to me like one day you could dress up, the next day you could wear Harley gear or Metallica. If you don't know me by now, you'll never know me. Landscape, turn that shit into the landscape, I guess, with a picture. Scorpio, Virgo, Leo. Now what? Tower moment. This reminds me of Romeo saving Juliet. And in this card, there's no man and woman falling from here. Yeah, the other one, isn't it? There's a man and a woman. Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. There's either a Scorpio or an earth sign. And I would walk 500 miles. There's a man here. Hold on. He wants to travel, but he keeps finding resistance. Why is that? I've been around the world. I can't find my baby. He travels, he's had conversations with people. Yeah. I've gone into clubs, I've gone into bars. This guy, did you travel alone like this? And I can't, I'm lying if I say that he's not a good liar. And they don't like that. Our own funny moods. I can't find anybody that vibes with me like this. And I find myself being honest with people, and then they don't seem to like that. I don't want to change that part of myself and become some lying, manipulating jerk off. Yeah, manipulating jerk off. Keep your hair long for someone. Don't cut your hair off. There's a woman out there that loves the man bun. Pisces, Gemini. You can ring my bell. Somebody did. Philly. I'm looking at this different now. They're too serious. I should have never walked away from this earth angel and this relationship I was had. It could have been a Sagittarius that you walked away from. Now all I meet, I'm telling you, there's a guy where when the lights go on, where he goes, it feels like cafes and lounges in different countries where there could be house or techno or some shit like that, and then every time the lights go on, this is what he sees. Hi. What's going on here with the flight? Oh man, I wish I had wings and I could hover to this motherfucker. I wish I could. There's always a problem. And it's because, let's say it's because there's someone else. If you planned this relationship, this solid one right here, I don't know if you know who they are, but if you know who they are and you've been separated for a little bit, I'll bet that if you plan on traveling to that one, you will find no resistance whatsoever. You think it's the right one, but it's not. And Andover. Andover. Now that could be a street for someone. Ran? Did somebody run from that far? Andover. I don't even know. Where is that? New Jersey? Massachusetts? Okay. I'm ready to run there. Page of Swords flew in reverse, I think. Oh, currently right now. Are you on the phone? Kenny G. Are you on the phone with a cop? And what are they saying? What's this cop? The cop is high. Or this is a judge or something. I'm noticing the white gloves this cat has on. Or are you talking to a cop? Is someone trying to search your home? They're going to try and plant something. Yeah, and it could even be a scale with residue on it somewhere and trying to say that you're messing with drugs. There's a wife or a mother that's behind this shit. On the table. Yeah, a Taurus, or this is, what is this? Truth. Hold on. Who is this here? Who is this Taurus female? Do you have a mother that's in the judicial system that knows this person? You may not even know that they're doing this for your mom. HN. HR. And OS. High school. Hamilton. Happy hour. Huh? Which one is it? Happy hour. Tell me about happy hour. Oh, it's 9 o'clock a.m. It's happy hour somewhere. Happy hour. What's happy hour? They're showing me a margarita machine or one of those machines and shit. Don't tell me that they brought one of them. Yeah, don't accept this. They want to reconcile or some shit like that. I would say no. I'm not drinking today, or I'm cutting down on my drinking. But because this feels like a mother or something, maybe you're more inclined to just say, okay, well, you know, just to appease her. Don't do that shit. What is it? What is that thing that they say? The devil and the details and shit like that. Hold on. Pay attention. Did somebody already come with a drink? Oh no, I already have a drink, but I brought this for you, or I got a drink machine. Whatever it is, just say no. Just say no, Reagan. Love you.